Hello ma'am, good morning. My name is Sushant Raj from Protel India Private Limited. We are exclusive partner of NutriCook India. I will be assisting you today with a demo for your NutriCook 5.5 liter SS air fryer product. Ma'am, I would like to tell about my brand, about NutriCook brand. Is this your first product from your NutriCook, ma'am? Yeah. Since this is your first product from NutriCook, I would like to tell you a bit about the brand. NutriCook is a fast-growing global kitchen appliances brand known for innovative health focused cooking solutions. The brand focus on their three core principles: design, excellence, innovative technology, and affordability. A company focus on a health-centric solution. NutriCook headquarter in United Arab Emirates, UAE. Can I ask you, ma'am, have you boxed or already unboxed? Okay. Ma'am, you have chosen a fantastic product, and NutriCube 5.5 liter stainless steel air fryer is one of the most convenient applications for your health at your home. I would like to tell about the product's parts. It's have main unit, and this is the main body of the air fryer, which contain the heating element, fan, and control panel. It uses rapid hot air circulation to cook yearly with a little no oil. It will keep you calorie maintain for your daily health routine. Mm. Air fryer basket. The basket is where the food is placed for a cooking. It's allow hot air to circulate around the food. It become crispy and evenly cook and properly heat transfer from every part of the corner of your food. Air fryer drawer. Drawer hold the basket and silently side in the smoothly for the placing and removing food. Digital control panel. NutriCook air fryer come with a digital display and touch control, allowing easy select cooking and time, temperature upgrade and program. It have a automatic feature that when will you select the specific food that you are preparing, it auto adjusts its time, temperature, and ratio. Now I installation part. Sir, do you have any query before begin using the air fryer? To ensure the proper performance, please follow these points. Place the air fryer on the flat surface, heat resistant surface, and keep it away from the water source, and maintain proper ventilation space around the applicants. Do, do not place it directly against the wall. Now I will tell you, ma'am, how to use it. Prepare before cooking. Ensure that air fryer is plugging into the power socket, and place the air fryer on the stable surface. Preheat the air fryer is required. Place the food inside the bucket. During cooking, slide the bucket into the air fryer. Select the desired temperature using the control panel, and you can also select the one of the present cooking program. The air fryer will be circulated hot air to the cooked food eventually. Ma'am, let me explain the features of your NutriCook air fryer. Rapid rapid air technology. The air fryer circulates hot air at a higher speed around the food, make it crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Smart temperature technology automatically adjusts temperature during the cooking to achieve the perfect result. 10 one touch present allow you to cook a prepared dish like fries, chicken, fish, and vegetable easily. Shake reminder. Remind you to shake the bucket. Ensure that eventually cook. And large 5.5 liter capacity, ideal for the family or cooking a large portion in your one go. Now I would like to tell you what you do and what you don't do. Preheat air fryer if you require the shake or flip the food during cooking when need. Clean the bucket after every use. And now I would like to tell you, don't do during or after. Don't overfill the bucket, and do not block the air vent, and do not place the application near the water. It can cause a short circuit. It may damage your appliances. Now I want to tell you, ma'am, the cleaning or maintenance, how you can increase its life. So, for proper function and maintain performance, you should follow the few maintenance steps. The air fryer, bucket, and cooking tray are the dishwasher safe and make them easy to clean. Always clean the air fryer thought after every use to maintain the hygiene and performance. Dry all the parts unnecessary completely after cleaning before using the storing the air fryer. Ensure all parts are perfectly drying before the connecting the air fryer to a power output, and add weight parts may cause electric shock. You don't store any on top of air fryer, and don't store anything inside the air fryer other than its accessory. Now I want to tell you about the warranty registration. Ma'am, have you registered the warranty for the NutriCook air fryer? If not, then I can guide you how to process it. Ma'am, please visit the official NutriCook website and go the web warranty registration, and you will just need to enter some product detail and along with your personal information submit form. Ma'am, a NutriCook 5.5 liter stainless steel air fryer come with a standard warranty of 2 years. During this period, pickup and drop and service charge and cover, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free service experience for our customer. Are you happy with my with on the satisfied with my product demonstration service from my side? Oh, I'm so glad you are happy to with demonstration setup. If you are purchased from Amazon, would you mind share a quick review? Mention my name, and it help both company evaluation and my service help to other customer makes you. Ma'am, in future service request, in case any query or doubt, you can save my number detail at Sushant Nutrico. In the case of any future service, you can also reach to our toll free number, so that you will get the warranty benefits from uh, my company sites. Thank you.